to San Diego. I finally get to go and hang out with my brother and his little family. The nephew, he's so cute. I cannot wait to see him and snuggle him. Just made it to the Salt Lake airport. I took American here this afternoon, and then I'm actually taking Delta from Salt Lake to San Diego, so hopefully I can get a seat. It looks like I should be okay, so yeah, let's hope for the best. I was like rushing to leave the house. I have been working so much lately that I just need to be in the sun and with my fam, and yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, how cute is his little room? This little crib, so cute. Say hi, guys. Nice. So the sandbar overlooks like a little amusement park in Mission Beach. So the lighting is probably horrible.
Nothing ever good, right?
Amen. So it's hard to vlog at night because the lighting really is so bad. But it's Taco Tuesday, Tequila Tuesday, really. So naturally I had to get a margarita. Made it to Liberty Station, spent the morning just relaxing, and I am showing them my favorite coffee shop, Moniker General. I'll show you guys a little snippet. Right next to the airport, so if you guys do have time to like kill, or you're waiting for, you know, other people to meet you down here, it's like such a good place to kill time, and it's so cute. You can get coffee, cocktails, shop around. I'll also show you Pigment, which is like the cutest little boutique that's down here as well. So we are gonna get coffee here and then a bite to eat and head out to the beach. So yeah, I'll show you guys around. It's like one of my favorite little San Diego staples for sure. Cold brew, Regine, you got the matcha.
Yes.
So good. I already tasted it. We are at one of my favorite coffee shops, Moniker General in Liberty Station, and I showed my brother and Regine one of my favorite coffee shops. So we're like kind of walking around, shopping around. Liberty Station is such a fun place to come, like just to kill time, get some work done. It's right by the university and actually the airport as well. Planes do cross overhead about every 10 minutes, every 7 minutes. We're gonna head over to Pigment and shop a little bit, and then we're gonna head to the beach. Outfit check. So cute. They have color coded this literally to perfection. It's like so aesthetically pleasing just walking through and shopping. Just arrived to Coronado. We're gonna grab a beverage in a spot on the beach. Got a bunch of like little beach things for a beach day, but they have restaurants. So Coronado's pretty cool. They have the Del Hotel here, which is super famous. You can always come in and go and take a look around. It's gorgeous. I love it, and it's so iconic. Also have a bunch of restaurants and beach bars here that are just like so fun to kind of just spend the day. It's hard to find parking. We are at, I don't know how far this is. Some taco shack, super cute. Grab a drink and just go to the beach. So talk to you guys soon.